Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making machine safe. Unplug it and move the hand wheel so the needle is up and out of the way. Once done, open the bobbin cover or remove the stitch plate so you can see the bobbin clearly. This gives access to the thread path and any lint buildup. Use a light and keep tweezers and a small screwdriver at hand to lift small parts or clear obstructions. This setup prevents damage and makes the next steps precise and fast. You now focus on freeing the thread. Gently loosen the bobbin case tension or release the spring to reduce resistance, because thread often jams under tension. Next, remove lint and inspect for knots or burrs in the race that trap thread. Cleaning here prevents repeat jams. Then, using tweezers, trace the thread to its end and pull it toward the bobbin case opening rather than yanking. This preserves the spool and avoids breaking the thread. You finish by steadily drawing the remaining thread out of the bobbin, keeping a gentle, consistent pull so you don't snap it or draw lint further into the mechanism. Once clear, reassemble the bobbin case and stitch plate, then rethread the top spool and set the bobbin tension to the recommended level. Correct tension prevents future jams. Finally, run a short test stitch on scrap fabric to verify smooth feeding. If stitches skip or bunch, recheck tension and remove any overlooked debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.